Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Shotgun 650. We just purchased it a day before yesterday, I guess. Yeah, and I've actually gifted this bike to my dad, and here I am. I just wanted to do a test run of the bike, show you how it feels. So let's take it out for a spin. This has got a really nice feel to it. It is very comforting to make turns with this bike. Oh, there are a lot of policemen today. Oh, it does have the power. And we have got a beautiful sky with us. Up the rest I even Wow, that does look beautiful. So हाँ मतलब पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं वीडियो नहीं डाल पा रहा था was because of this bike, I guess. I was occupied with the purchase and some stuff. But yeah, I have uploaded a video today, and I'm hoping to get things back on track with the video. My ideal plan is to upload every alternate days, which I don't think would be possible now, but let's see where this takes us. So हुआ ऐसा है कि I actually want to upload as much as possible, but then again I don't know. I am going to Mumbai to attend my friend's wedding. Okay? He's a childhood friend of mine, and it's his wedding, the first one in our group. So we are all excited for him. Oh, this bike does have the power and amazing braking system as well. I can see the sun entirely. Wow, bro. He does not care. But oh, the timing that I have changed here. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Just wow. I don't have any words for this. Good stuff, I'd say. मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि मैं 100 की स्पीड के ऊपर ना जाऊँ. बिकॉज अभी नई नई गाड़ी है एंड पापा की गाड़ी है मतलब I want to preserve this beauty as much as I can. Like really, like, it does look beautiful. But yeah, a guy in the video asked me about how do I do clutchless shifts. Well, it came with the practice. Okay, so I had to learn it. Like for the initial 2 months, for the starting के 2 महीने, I had to just practice it a bit. पूरा इंजन ब्रेकिंग सीख रहा था, रैप मैचिंग सीख रहा था, और टाइम के साथ वो और स्मूथ होता जाता है. तो जैसे कि as you can see now, I'm just without using the clips. And these are not the kinds which have jerks with them. मतलब झटका नहीं लगता. You can really enjoy it. Oops. Okay. Yeah. So, wow. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot what was I talking about. I was paying attention to that sky. That looked beautiful. Just overtaking. Nice. Oh my god, look at those birds. I'm not sure if you could see them. But there's a group of birds that were just crossing the road. And it looked beautiful. The sky itself is very pretty today. Yeah. It looks so amazing. Change the lane because the road here is bad. Bike is so comforting. Okay. There are a few modifications that I do want to do with the bike. Basically, it's for my parents, and my mom has a problem with the pillion set, so I have to make it a bit softer. Also, I will be adding a backrest. I'm not sure how it will affect the looks of the bike, but backrest is something that will give comfort to my mother while being a pillion. Because me and my dad, we plan to go on big rides, huge rides. So, and it is fun, okay, to ride with a dad. Finally feel that feeling, bro. We took a small detour, like the day we purchased the bike, we took a small detour and we went to one of our old village. Okay. And me and my dad, we both were together, like him on this shotgun 650 and I am on my GT 650. Oh my god, that was so fun. It's moments like this when you feel, okay, yeah, this is what you have always dreamed of. This is what you have always hoped for. And I love that feeling. It gives you a sense of achievement, gives you a sense of comfort, you feel successful. So, yeah.